就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm not going to be too loud right now because we're going to introduce to you Luo Wenyu Wing Lo's lullaby for his daughter, and it's called Zok Home Wen, or Sweet Dreams. And the song starts off with a soft and simple piano melody, kind of like the motion of rocking a cradle. So let's take a listen.
天山走马街，暗好油条，打开变上手。有好世界，因伊都阿门踢个歪歪歪，甜的手本爱难等伊衰。嘟比嘟比嘟比呜呜 ，I love you， 爸爸妈妈陪你。I love you， 就好梦看爱结束。天山走马街，暗好油条。打开变上手，有好世界。因伊都阿门踢个歪歪歪，甜的手本爱难等伊衰。嘟比嘟比嘟比呜呜 ，I love you。爸爸妈妈陪你柠檬度。
哎呦，不要睡着喽！好甜美的一首歌，这是罗文玉写给他女儿的一个摇篮曲，叫做《祝你好梦》。纵后温，他呢用着非常简单还有轻柔的钢琴旋律，然后再加上自己温暖的歌声，唱出孩子总是会问着各种为什么的情境哦，来增添整个歌曲的趣味。大家听完了是不是感觉好像在摇篮里听着爸爸在唱歌呢？ What a great lullaby again by Wing Lo right here on ICRT. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.